Tyagi. I'm MSc PhD Botany, MCE, MA English and MA English and MA B.Ed and M.Ed both. I remained lecturer up to 10 years. Then I remained principal of a college. Now I am telling you something about competition of ISPCS and CBSE board. For the eosinophil, I have described earlier. Exact eosinophil, it contains nutritive substance and form some substance like it helps in hypersensitivity and can be shared by, for example, eosine. Basophil, it is the next part of the granulocytes. It increases inflammation and it contains a nucleus which is round in nature, blood corpuscle, RBC or erythrocytes. Now we see average 3 to 5.5 cubic per millimeter and 7 to 10 RBC in blood. RBC is biconcave, formed red bone marrow बनती है. Biconcave protein is present and carbonic anhydrase is present. It contains hemoglobin 10 to 16 gram. Hemoglobin is equal to porphyrin plus iron. Now we proceed. Hemoglobin short is called anemia. WBC is called white blood corpuscle. That is, white blood corpuscle is or leukocytes. It contains nuclei and 8,000 per cubic millimeter. Eosinophil I have described earlier. Now granulocytes, basophil, active imbibe, help in coloring. Nucleus is too low and this is called it is neutrophil. Basophils I have described, lymphocytes I have described, monocytes, eosinophil I have described, platelets. Today I am discussing you platelets. They don't contain nucleus and they help in injury because they form healing. Blood groups AB, and O. Colon स्टिनर कमांड एंटीजन ए एंड बी दो टाइप का होता है. ए एंटीबॉडी, बी स्मॉल बीज antibody. These are pure proteins. Now I describe this in table first. In group A, blood group A, then antigen A, then A and B, then 2 3.5, and A and B absent, it is 15. Absent A and B and 14.5. Now we describe importance of blood groups. What is important of blood groups? Donors, and these are the universal donors. A and B none. O, A and B universal donor. In them antibodies are A and B small b. It is no clumping, it contains clumping, it contains clumping, it contains non-clumping. It is It is clumping, clumping, non-clumping, non-clumping. B and A. A and B contains 1, 2, 3, 4. That is blood group. It contains no clumping. Next is O group, blood group AB. It contains clumping 1, 2, 3 and no clumping in this. Now we proceed that how the blood group can be checked. Anti-A serum, anti-B serum and blood group. If anti-serum is present, then A blood group, and it does not contain it contain no clumping. In this B blood group, anti-serum A present, anti-serum B is present, it is B blood group. And in the AB blood group, we see clumping, clumping again. And in an O group, no clumping, then no clumping, that is no clumping. देख लिया.